Hello guys, welcome to Alisha Han TV again. Today we are cooking laksa soup, Nonya laksa, Nonya, and these are the ingredients. Okay, what I'm gonna tell you, these are the ingredients where you need to actually blend. You've got galangal, you've got lemongrass, you've got onion, you've got shrimp paste, and you've got nutmeg, and you've got turmeric. So up to you on how much you need to blend. And you also have cucumber.
This one not for blend.
So not for blending. So you got chilli, you've got dried shrimp, you've got laksa leaf. You also have the kara santan.
This one all for blender. Yeah. This one for blender.
Then you've got the noodles. Up to you. This is 500 gram per bag. Then you've got Beansprouts, and yes, the coconut. So these are basically the full ingredients for laksa.
We blend.
So now we put the chili inside the blender. Then you put the Beansprouts. Sorry, the dried shrimps. And also the rest, the onions, everything is inside here, as you can see. So everything you've chopped up nicely, you put everything in there, and also the leaves. So practically everything, most of the ingredients, as you can see, which I explained earlier, is all into the blender and ready to be mixed. So now once everything is put into the blender, okay, check. The ingredients as thickened, then you can put in the coconut milk, then it's done. So make sure it dries off. Add in a bit of oil, cooking oil. So once everything is ready, so these are basically the garnishes. Or you put on top of the Nonya laksa. This is Taupok. Okay, you can call the Taupok
Dry beancurd.
or dry beancurd. Cut into cubes. Then maybe you can have shredded cucumber. You can have tauge or beansprouts and fish cake. So these are all the ingredients after you have cooked the gravy. So later we will eat, you will see. This is the final product of the laksa. This is cucumber. Sekarang boleh. Beansprout, fish cake, prawns.
Nanti dah taruh ke mangkuk kau ambil lagi. Tak boleh taruh je.
Taruh je. See, this is the final one with the taupok, fried beancurd and the taupok mixed with this fried egg.
Pegem lah.